Okay, in our last lesson, we did the letters G and S. Now this lesson is going to be the last 5 letters that we need to learn, and these are all different. So hang on, it may be a bumpy ride. But first, let's practice G and S. Here we go. So upstroke to the headline, loop, come up, touch. Down, curve it in, make a boat. Capital G. Capital S, up loop to your headline, upstroke to your headline, loop, come down for your S, and make a boat. G and S. All right, so our first loan letter is D. It looks a lot like a printing D, but it's kind of fancy. It's fun. It's one of my favorite letters. And you make it kind of upside down to the way you make a printing capital D. So you start just below your headline, slant to the baseline. You're going to make a loop going under and over, then back down to your baseline, come around, make a nice fat belly on it, come up to your headline, and loop around kind of like on your O. Just like that. And that's capital D. And capital D does not connect to the next letter. So we are going to write the name of the state, Delaware. We're going to come down on a slant, loop, come down, up, make your nice pretty loop at the top, pick up your pencil. Then E, L, A, W, touch 1, 2, 3, and poodle tail to your A, R, E, Delaware. There you go. Okay, our next loan letter is capital E. E has 2 loops in it, and it looks like a backwards 3. So you're going to loop, come around, loop, come down, and up, just like that. Loop, come around, loop, ta-da. Now earlier we learned to write capital Q for Queen Elizabeth. So let's go ahead and write Queen Elizabeth. We're going to use our official Q because she is the queen after all. We do official things for queens. Come down below the line, touch the bottom of the baseline. Cross over for the beginning of your U, touch the midline twice, E, E, 2 humps on your N, Queen. Okay, next word, Elizabeth. I'm going to come up here, we're going to loop, touch, come around, loop, come down. Up for your L, then I, Z, which you don't get to write very often, A, B, E, T, H. Dot your I, cross your T. She's Queen Elizabeth II, so we put Roman numeral 2 after her name. So let's do that just for chuckles and yucks. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, our next loan letter is capital I. It starts with a boat and ends like lowercase l. So it's really, you're making it backwards is what it boils down to. So you come just below your midline, go backwards up to make the front of your boat, or the back, depending on how you look at it. Touch your baseline, come up for a loop like your L, and finish it off. Okay, so we can travel to Illinois here in just a minute. And we will write that in just a minute. Okay, here we go. Boat, loop to your headline, come down. That's the I. We need 2 L's. L, L, then an I, an N, 2 humps, 1, 2, and then Illinois is French, and so it has letters you don't pronounce. So O, poodle tail up for your I, and believe it or not, there's an S on the end, but it is not pronounced. You don't say Illinois. Okay, and dot both your I's. Illinois. Okay, 2 letters left. Capital J is the next one, and you're kind of making this one backwards too. You just have to kind of remember how to do these. That's why you need to practice. Okay, so you start at your baseline, and you're going backwards up, making a big loop and touching your headline. Then you come down, and you're going to make a tail like you do on lowercase g, lowercase y, blah, 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 and come up for your tail that stops at your midline. Okay, just like that. And we have a lot of months that begin with J, but we're only going to write one of them because my hand's getting tired. Let's do June, because that's the month we get out of school. Yay! Yay, June. Come right up into your U. N, E, June. Just like that. It does connect. And our last lone letter is L, like in Lancaster. This is my favorite cursive capital letter. I know it probably seems odd that people have favorite capital letters, but I love writing in cursive. Okay, so you do L, it ends like the Q did, doesn't it? It goes underneath your line. Then, kind of right here, sitting in that dip, or just above the dip, is your A. Whoops! My bad, I jumped ahead of myself. See how much I love this letter? Okay, so let's do it again. Upstroke to a loop, down to your baseline. Now you're going to go under and over and come back down and dip below your baseline. Okay, do it again. And we're going to write Lancaster. Now, you're going to disconnect from your letter. You pick up your pencil. You're going to make your A, N, C, A, S, T, E, R, Lancaster. Okay, now that you've completed all the letters, lowercase, uppercase, and all the connections. So if you bring your practice pages to me, if you've not been saving them, that's okay. Just make a few to bring to me and I'll see how you're doing, and I will give you some more practice pages that you can practice in class. And when you show me really awesome cursive, I'll let you start writing in cursive in class. Okay, so good luck and keep practicing.